Nigeria because subsidy removal, high cost of living, and all of that. What is your opinion about it?
The opinion about the economy is not bad. For now, the fuel, like for crude oil now, crude oil, you can see when crude oil is going very high. Crude oil is going very high. Production is going very high. So why said protest?
Production is 1.3 million today, and that is one of the lowest that we have achieved. What exactly is the government doing to increase oil production in Nigeria?
Government?
Yes, do you know? Okay. These young people. No, we are just trying.
No, this thing is not fair. This one is not fair at all. Everything is go high. 1 cup of garri is 200 naira.
It's like, what time these people are? Huh? Like, what time did they arrive?
I don't know, don't taste. Huh? No.
Me now. I will give you money for 1 bag of
No, bros.
Nobody call me now.
Should I see for the mission?
No, I'm everywhere good now. Yeah. Nobody will put my bed. Yes, no shaking. No, yeah, no one.
Where's the reporter?
Man, I don't go feed the house.
Show me. What is the reporter that will do this?
Oh yeah, now go and tell them to do that. Then when you come, I'll discuss it one on one.
But you don't really take our life. I want to do that. People don't call them.
Because they don't my own shop.
Huh?
My own day life.
Your own. No, you all know their life. You all know their life.
Just now you to take me before.
Let me take you before.
Not the life.
You know their life. What's happened, sir?
But every day not put my own life. Not just put my own life.
Okay.
Only this man.
I know you don't already good life since.
Yeah, they call you.
Now my lady call me.
He be Nabayasa.
Yes, sir. Allez, brassi, yeah. No, I'll call you back if I come up for you. I'll call you back if I come up here.
I need 1 bag of garri.